Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing? Welcome to July. It is Tuesday morning, the first day of July. Time as I make this is 4:24 a.m. Hi, Rich here on an incredibly muggy morning out here. And what kind of rainfall did you have at your house yesterday? At this location in East Montgomery, 3.88 inches of rain yesterday. 3.88. And the airport 2.32. And once again today, radar will be very active with showers and storms and locally heavy downpours out ahead of a frontal system that is moving southward, a front that will bring, I think, some welcome changes as we get towards later in the week, especially. It's going to bring some drier air, fewer storms, but that will also lead to some hotter temperatures. Although the humidity will come down just enough that you'll feel a difference, I think. All right, so here's the deal. Showers and thunderstorms widespread today. Again, they will be random and they will be most numerous in the late afternoon and evening hours, but any hour of the afternoon or evening are fair game for showers and storms. The front moves through, and then tomorrow the rain chances start to go down dramatically, and that continues on Thursday and Friday, the 4th of July, and also through the holiday weekend. So that's the best news I have for you. There will still be storms around. And don't forget, this is the week of the year where there is the most lightning deaths because people are out. The most lightning deaths, I just came back from the weather conference, I saw a pie chart, are in boats, golf courses, beach. What else? I'm leaving something out. Anyway, people are outside, of course, and that's why lightning deaths are spiking this week. Don't forget, if you are close enough to hear thunder, even distant thunder, you are close enough to be struck and killed by lightning. It could be blue skies right over your head, and you could be struck and killed by lightning. You could be 10 miles from the storm. All right, so keep that in mind. All right, also in the northeastern Gulf, into the southeastern Atlantic, rather, off the southeast coast, there is an area to watch. 20% chance of development, and that's because of this frontal system that's going to come through will stall, and there could be a tropical entity that develops along that and then moves in towards the Atlantic Ocean across northern Florida. So we'll be watching that as well. All right, I think you're up to date now. We're live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 WACV. There'll be another forecast discussion, which is what this is, the video, and blog update with all the graphics in the 4 o'clock hour tomorrow morning. I forgot to mention we are in a marginal level 1 severe weather risk today from the Storm Prediction Center. Some of those storms could be strong, possibly severe. No surprise as this front moves southward. And your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. I've talked enough. Have a great day. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.